Here I have HUAWEI P9 Plus, and let me show you how to open the testing menu on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the phone's icon in that corner. Let's open the keypad and let's use the following secret code: *#**** 6130 #****. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose phone information, when you can read such things as email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, location, the roaming status, GSM service, network type, and other stuff. You may also perform here run a ping test, or for example turn off a voltage flag. You may also tap menu and view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers. You can also get PDP list or enable data connection. Let's go back and choose user statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications from your device, and you can read such things as last time used or usage time. Let me go back, and this time let's open the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select the Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get connection info, or get configured networks. Let's go back, and this time let's open the second option, so the Wi-Fi config. And if you have some configured networks on your device, here you have the full specification about them. Let's go back and let me open the Wi-Fi status, and here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can refresh them and run a ping test. Let's go back, and in order to close the testing menu, let's use the back arrow a couple of times, and now you can use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.